Hello guys, welcome back. If your Minka Aire ceiling fan light won't turn off using the remote, it can be really frustrating because even though the fan may work perfectly, the light stays on no matter what you press. This issue can make it feel like the remote is broken or the light kit is faulty, but in many cases, it's caused by a simple communication or setting problem. Since these fans rely on a remote receiver system, even small issues like signal interference, stuck buttons, or other problems can prevent the light command from working properly. Once you fix the underlying cause, the light control should work normally again. So, guys, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your Minka Aire remote light issue, and try these. 1. Replace the remote batteries with new ones. 2. Turn off power to the fan and turn it back on. 3. Ensure the remote is properly paired with the fan. 4. Press the light button firmly to rule out a stuck button. 5. Clean the remote buttons and check for any damage. 6. Test the remote to confirm the light turns off properly.